Hey everybody, how's it going? I am not sure whether or not I'm going to release these videos, series of videos on the channel or not, but I am going to make them available to my Patreon members so they can see. So behind this door here is my collection room, and I have been vigorously working on this thing for a long time, and so now I'm kind of in the, I wouldn't say the home stretch, but definitely making some more progress than I would have liked to have in the past. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of walk through with you and show you what the plans are, what I've done so far, what my ideas are, and yeah, we're just going to kind of do that. So first off, this is the reason why I haven't been posting very much lately. Between this and my day job, it's just been very stressful and time consuming. So I want you to know that I apologize for that. However, this right here is going to make it more easier for me to do videos, a more comfortable, better setting and everything like that. Plus, you get to take a peek into my collection, and well, let's just kind of go through here and let's see, you know, I'll show you what I'm doing so far versus what the plans are, and anyway, we'll get started. All right, guys, so as you can see, this room is an utter cluttered mess. I actually enclosed this room about 15 years ago and really never did anything with it. So now it is turned into a collection slash catch-all room, and I need to declutter and make it into a YouTube space. So that's what I'm doing. The problem is I got so much crap in here I'm not sure what to do with. So first things first, here's the plan. I am building a 10 by 16 shed out in my backyard for all of this stuff here, which is like, oh, I better put that back on, huh? Which is anything from Halloween decorations to tools and stuff I just do not use. We were doing some remodeling in the house and are still doing some remodeling in the house, so I got to get rid of all this stuff, you know, and different things like these tables and just all kinds of other stuff. The second thing is what I'm doing right now is I'm in the process of boxing up over 35 years of Punisher collectibles. That's right. Pretty much all of my Punisher collectibles are going into these boxes here. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with them, but that's a lot of stuff. And to take you over here, this is kind of where they came from. So I pulled some bookcases out. I'm still not finished. All these two bookcases here are going basically on the side of the road, and everything's going to be packed up on those. So here's the plan. The plan is to take all of my detolfs right here, and I have like two more, and these are going over there on that wall. So that's a longer wall. And so all of my detolfs will start right here and go all the way down right here. So if you see the tall bestas in the back, I have 3 of those. And those 3 are actually going to go up here in between the windows 1, 2, and 3. So those will be displaying statues or whatever. My work center right here is got to be cleaned up. And I'm going to put some pegboard back behind here. All this is coming down. I'll do some shelves up there to, you know, for some prints that I've done. And then, of course, over here, I will have everything. I'm actually rigging up my extraction system right now and going to make this work. And then a couple of my cleaning stations, my IPA stations or whatever will be right here, my wash and cure stations. Then let's go around here. On the back wall here, the air conditioner is actually coming out because I have a mini split that's being installed. I have some work on the outside of my house that I have to finish. And then I'm actually going to use this area right here for all of my printers. So these will all be on muscle racks and everything like that. And, you know, I'll have everything up here. I have a total of about 15 maybe 16 printers, and I still have some other stuff coming in, so I will have all that stuff right here. Then the center here, all of my bestas right here will be on this wall, where the details are. So everything's going to get moved there. And these are going to be triple stacked. And then there will be a smaller top on the top right here. I've already got everything situated. So that will have all of my statues and most of my big statues and collectibles. Now here in the center, let me back up a little bit here. Here in the center where all this is right now, I will actually take these and split these units. These will be my end caps here, and I'll have a table made here with these right here. These will be the ends, and I'll have a tabletop so I can actually do my videos. I will also have another table that will be set up over here to do like printer reviews and different things like that with a different backdrop there. And I'm also going to have my photography station basically to take better pictures of the models and everything like that over in the back side over here too, or I'm sorry, over the back side of here as well. So that will be mobile, so I can move it and do whatever I need to with it. Then this back here, I actually have a hot water heater that will actually be partitioned off. And I will actually be able to hide all that space right there. But as you can see, I have a lot of stuff I have to get rid of first. So first things first, my shed is supposed to be delivered here in the next couple of days, and it's prefabbed, and I'm gonna have to build it. So that was the only way I could get it in my backyard, and is in pieces because there's no entryway. So first things first, that's what's going to happen, and then we get to start moving some stuff around. So for the time being, this is what I got here to work with, and my other room, my printer room in the house. I know everything's kind of an utter mess right now. As you can see, I got these big pieces right here I still have to get done. I've got printers out here now that I've had to make room for other stuff. Yeah, so that's the plan. So once I get everything in place, I promise you this is going to look so much neater. I've been mapping this out, planning this out for weeks, months, for a long time of what I want to do. And ever since I started the channel, I needed a little bit more comfortable space in order to film videos. And what you're seeing right now is basically a workroom that I'm working in, which is another room in my house, and it's getting cramped. I've got so much stuff I've printed. I've actually had to quit printing, and I'm sure my wife is happy about that. But I want to make better content for you all, more inviting, let you see a little bit of my collection, what I actually do. I'm not just a printer and painter, I'm a collector as well. And I just want to make better videos for you guys. So that's the plan. Now, probably most people might not even be interested in this series, but I thought it was kind of neat to see some of the process. Some of you asked about the process of what I'm going to be going through with this changeover and this remodel in this room. So let me know what you think in the comments below if I release the videos. I'm still not sold I'm going to do that yet because again, I'm not sure very many people care. But again, once I get all this situated and everything, I have some really cool videos for you guys. I've got so much to offer and everything like that within the channel. Paint-ups, build-ups, tutorials, and everything. It's just right now between this and what's going on in my day job, it's really time-consuming. So I hope you stay along for the journey. And if I do hit post this, post some comments, give us a couple of likes or whatever like that to help us keep sane in the algorithm, I guess you could say, or being seen in the algorithm, whatever the hell that means. I'm still not sure what this algorithm really is. But anyway, hope you guys stay safe out there, print, prep, paint, repeat, and we'll see you. Bye now.